शिक्षा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
Good morning everyone. I, Jaiprakash Singh, and along with my partner Anand Kumar Chaudhary, we are from IMI Bhubaneswar. And here we are going to share you something about IMI Bhubaneswar. IMI Bhubaneswar commenced its batch, the first PGDM batch, at the year 2011. It is spread across an area of 16 acres with a high-class infrastructure. And the ambience at IMI is truly outstanding and it's highly conducive for learning. As IMI Bhubaneswar is a student-driven campus, so it has many committees, clubs, and they organize many events at many different occasions. As I've already mentioned about the student-driven campus, so we have many committees. Placement Cell is one of them, and Placement Cell provides us internships, placements and life projects throughout the year. And the minimum eligibility criteria to sit at a placement is an attendance of minimum 75% and a CGPA of 6.5 for some companies. Some of the major recruiters are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Federal Bank, Marico, TCS, OYO and many others. And regarding the domains, 39% of students got selected in financial services, 25% in banking, 4% in marketing, 5% in IT, 15% in sales, and the rest 12% in other domains. And apart from placements, in our internship period, our students also get a PPU. And regarding the placement packages, the last year the highest package was 10.48 lakhs. The medium package was 7.22 and the average package was 7.15 lakhs.
This is Ankur Chaudhary. IMI Bhubaneswar is a residency campus, so it is a separate block of our hostel. Our hostel is a single block, so it is a co-ed hostel. It has AC rooms as well as non-AC rooms. If we talk about fee of AC and non-AC room, so fee of AC room with a single bed is 1.5 lakh per year. If we talk about AC room with double bed, so it is 1.1 lakh. For non-AC room with a single bed, it is 1.1 lakh, and non-AC room with a double bed, it is 54,000 per year. CCTV cameras are situated in each block and each floor. It has a separate laundry room and it has a separate mess area also. Mess provides us delicious foods and quality meal. Now, if we talk about rules and regulations of our hostel and campus, so first one is that our hostel is co-ed hostel, but it is divided separately for girls and boys. If a boy or a girl is found in other gender's room or floor, so he will be penalized heavily. And if anyone is caught with alcohol or cigarette, so he or she will be penalized heavily. Not a single person can go outside of the campus after 10:30 p.m.